In today's video, I'll teach you how to create UpScrolled account. So if you want to create the UpScrolled account, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open UpScrolled application. You can see over here UpScrolled application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account for yourself, tap on this option create account that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to create the UpScrolled account. First of all, enter your name over here. Now once you do that, provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter your date of birth. Tap on the field of date of birth. Now you'll be able to select the date over here. Scroll up or down in order to select the month. Likewise, do the same for the day and year too. Now once you do that, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to create the password for yourself. Your password must have minimum 8 characters. It must have at least one numeral, at least one symbol and at least one uppercase letter. So create the password accordingly. Now once you create the password for yourself, tap on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply tap on the next option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now the verification code has been sent. What you have to do is simply open the Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here UpScrolled has sent me the email. Tap on that email. Now in this email you'll be able to see the code. You can memorize this code or you can also copy it if you want. After you do that, go back to the UpScrolled application and enter that code over here. Now tap on the verify option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to select the handle for yourself. Your handle should be unique, so simply enter the handle over here. Make sure it is available. Now once you do that, tap on this option sign up that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your account has easily been created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create UpScrolled account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.